Good afternoon. Again, John Lee, Transportation Safety Board of Canada. First, on behalf of the Transportation Safety Board of Canada, I would like to extend the Safety Board's condolences to the families, loved ones, friends, colleagues of the pilots that died in this tragedy. Given the nature of this occurrence in that we had an FAA inspector and National Transportation Safety Board investigator on board the aircraft, it was seen that it would be a best fit if an external agency conducted the investigation. So the NTSB contacted the TSB and invited us down as per international agreement to conduct the investigation. So as investigator in charge, I came down with two other team members. We have a fourth one arriving here this afternoon, and we'll be conducting an investigation which will be quite similar to what the NTSB does in terms of process and procedure. We'll be collecting data as we have today and over the next few days. We call this the field phase of the investigation. We'll be looking at the man, the machine, the environment, and after we collect this information, we'll begin the process of analyses, writing draft report, and and in the end, a final report. The Piper Cherokee 140, as sometimes it's called, does have some interesting marks on it, as there always is with mid-air collisions. Again, it's a focus of the investigation, but at this time it's too early to start to speculate at what those marks mean. But it's part of the process right now that's actually ongoing. I stepped away from to do this particular interview, but we are looking at those marks. And those marks are very important to the investigation because they'll help contribute to our understanding as to the how the aircraft came together in the air. What was at the main wreckage location of the Beechcraft scene were the main wings, the forward section of the fuselage that contained the pilot and co-pilot seats, and the engine. What was not at that location is the tail section of the aircraft. We have located those particular pieces, and they are I don't know the exact distances, but approximately, I'd probably say 1,500 yards away. Our concern over mid-air collisions, of course, is the survivability is very low. It's a very serious issue. I mean, as soon as you start putting two aircraft together in the sky, what was unusual is that we did have a survivor.